here's how you can transfer specific videos from iPhone to the laptop. Let me show you some ways how it can be done. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, the videos on the iPhone which you want to transfer are likely part of the Photos app, like part of your gallery when you can get inside, and obviously there are more ways how you can move a video over from an iPhone to a computer. So you can select the video as such, tap on the share button and see which options are available to you. So you can, for example, see AirDrop that applies to Mac computers, or you can send it over different methods like over social media, or WhatsApp shows as an option, or you can tap on more and see literally every app which you might utilize for it. Most likely it's going to be like a cloud storage, so Google Drive would make sense for us to do it here, because obviously we can upload it to the cloud storage and then access it on the computer. But if you ask me personally, the most favorite method of mine is to use like a intermediate storage device, something like USB, SSD drive, or SD card, something that you connect both to the laptop as well as to the iPhone. So if I set up this SSD drive or SD card and connect it to the iPhone, it's going to be recognized and be part of the Files app. So you'll be able to find it in here as a separate location. And then when you go to your photos and check out any video that you want to move to that external storage, you will tap on share, save to files, and from the locations, you will literally pick the external storage and paste it right there. So it's obviously just copying it. So then you can disconnect it from the iPhone, connect that external storage to a laptop, and you'll be able to transfer the video that way. So I think that is actually the best way to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to catch you later in the upcoming videos as well.